better already. Low beam, high beam. That is awesome. Line. Oh gosh. Deer gets sketchy, that's for sure. High beam is legit. Down just a little bit. All right, let's move it up, like right there, yeah. So. That's the Cyclops. Low beam, high beam. Really can't tell much of a difference. See if I can find a wall. Low beam. High beam. That's pretty bright. So apparently when I hook this up, this turn signal now doesn't work. That one does, so this must have become unplugged. All right, here we are again. Corlitos Market. That's the low beam. As you can see, it's pretty bright. Well, how about the high beam? Yeah, it's okay, it's pointed at the ground, but yeah, that's bright. That's bright. I had to close my eyes right there. And the cool thing about this light is, you know, well, I'm gonna actually pull over to the church and show a little more about how you can aim it. High beam, low beam, from probably about 30 feet. All right, we're back at the church. There's the low beam, there's the high beam. Low beam, high beam. Low beam, high beam. Not bad. Here's the low beam, right? High beam. Low beam, high beam. Now the cool thing about this light is all I have to do is literally take my hand, move it, and if you're riding trails or riding something you need a little more detail in front of you at night, obviously you're going to point it down lower. High speed, common sense, right? So taking these corners, like right there, the road just pretty much disappears, right? All right, got some reflectors there. High beam, low beam, high beam. All right, same exact spot. Low beam, high beam. Low beam, high beam. High beam seems considerably brighter. All right, same spot as before. High beam, low beam, high, low.
You need help with anything?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
This is the closest thing to a trail that I can find that's not completely destroyed right now. We're kind of in between storms here, and all the local trails are pretty beat up. So this is as close as it's gonna get. Yeah, that looks good. I don't know how much the GoPro is gonna pick up, but we'll see. Low beam going through here. High beam, a little better. Swampy through here. Not bad. Oh, that dog's like right there, huh? Well, I ain't sticking around for that. but I will. See how awesome this high beam is here. Oh yeah, watch your head. That's right. The closest thing to trail riding I can find. Pretty good. Not bad. Shit, is that a freaking bottle I just ran over?